What's up? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my toolbox. Um, yeah, it's a 52-inch Husky. This is the one for the house, so it's not as full as the box at work. But later on, I'm gonna also do a show you guys what's in my toolbox at work, also. So let's get this started. Sorry, it was zoomed in. Sorry about that. But yeah, here we go. The big Husky toolbox. So up here, I got a set of my Torxes from Clutch. Got some magnets, fuel cap that Dad used to have. So that just kind of hangs there as a memorial piece. Got my shop towels, my pencils, my gloves, assortments of stuff. WD brake clean, of course. Beer mug, gotta have that. Got my chargers right here. One for this one's for my drill. This one's for my bit driver and little drill. Let's see, this drawer. You can see my Husky screwdriver set, DeWalt drills. This one is a Cobalt set of bit drivers and some drills. Kind of a miscellaneous plier drawer, Cobalts, ratcheting, screwdrivers. That is a snap-on. Some electrical stuff. Pliers, O-rings, electricals, air blowers. This is just kind of the junk drawer. Flashlights, tape measures, hand cleaner, AC working components, ear fittings, tape, more notepads, more pencils, bungees, feeler gauges, just all kinds of shit. This drawer is pretty much empty right now, but got a couple Torxes from Matco's. I'm looking at getting another set of them. Got the Blue Point set of the Allen wrenches, the straight ones. Next set I'm going to get is the ball end. Snap-on files. So those have seen years of use. Those are about 15 years old. Next drawer pretty much empty except for the nut drivers. I got to get more of that. Like I said, this is the at-home toolbox, so there's really not a whole lot. This one is my favorite one. The sockets. So I got 1/2-inch metric, 1/2-inch SAE, 3/8 metric, 3/8 SAE. Up here we got the 1/4-inch stuff. These are the two sockets that don't really have a place to go, so I just they're just odd and end stuff, so I put them there. Down here we got more bit drivers and adapters. Ratchets. This one was actually my father's, so this one I'll never get rid of. This is the Master Hand 1/2-inch. And a Craftsman 1/2-inch. These are kind of nice actually. These I actually got from Northern Tool. Ratchet flex head. Those are actually really nice. I think they were 74, 72 teeth. I got 1/2-inch and 3/8 of that. A lot of my there's my Matco 1/4-inch. Here's my other Matco, the Flex. Love that one. The Craftsman, another one from my father. All of your extensions. Got a couple Craftsman sets here. Blue Point 1/4" impact. I don't really use that at work a whole lot, so I just brought that home because at work I use all my 1/2" and 3/8 stuff. Husky 1/2" impact, kind of heavy, but it's good. Works real good here. That's that drawer. The big drawer here. This is my 1/4" torque wrench. Don't know why I bought it, but it came with the kit for when I first got into being a diesel tech. This is my 3/8 torque wrench. Got a saw, another saw, Husky air hammer, battery cleaner tools, just extra spares of wrenches right there. Got the Husky, what is that? It goes from a 7mm up to a 19. Then I got the Husky SAE right here. It goes up to 1.25 inches. Though from the inch to 1.25 inches, well, actually from the 15/16 up, that's not Husky. That is not. Well, this is the older Husky one, but I want to get the newer stuff, so I'm probably gonna put this stuff to my father or my brother. But well, not my father, but I'll put it in my father's box. I'll show you guys that box after I'm done with this one. See, this one is got a couple wood saws, air hammer, 3/4 ratchet. This one actually still works good. The only problem is that it somehow the handle for the directional broke. And of course, Sears is no more, and to get warranty on stuff, you have to prove that you bought it from a Ace Hardware. And you have to have a receipt saying that you bought it from Ace Hardware for Ace Hardware to warranty it, and can't do that. So I just deal with it. Got a couple of hammers, my Stanley. This is a cheapy one that I got from my uncle, I think it was. Cobalt, another cheapy one from Home Depot. Empty drawer, another empty drawer. Down here is a lot of your miscellaneous. I got my oil filter, fuel filter wrenches down there. Oil filter. Got some axle nuts. Wheel seal driver. That's just spongy. The bit driver. The 2 drills. Zip ties. Electrical box. Just miscellaneous bolts, nuts, stuff like that. That's another bolt and nut one. Let's see, and here is another electrical. This is normally filled with all kinds of butt connectors and stuff like that. That has to get refilled. Another zip ties. More electrical for the house. My home test light to make sure outlets work. Test light for working on vehicles. Another oil filter wrench / fuel filter wrench. I think that's a snap-on. I don't know. Empty. This is the big drawer. Got some tape. Got the hitch. Got the Hitachi grinder down there. That's what I used to use for when I was polishing, which I still do. I kind of practice in it. There's my 1/2" Ingersoll Rand from Matco. Spring, battery tester, bushing driver set, and that's pretty much it for this box. I got a jack down there on the floor, Craftsman jack. Got my creeper right there. Got all kinds of chemicals. My jacks for semis. Got the little torch. So there's my box. Let's take a look at Dad's box. I gave him a lot of my stuff, and kind of have to clean it up every time my brother comes over and tries to trash it. But here we go. Oh, all kinds of just miscellaneous sockets. They're kind of in order. This side is all the metric. This side is all the SAE. This up here is all the 1/2 inch, or at least that's the way it's supposed to be. Everyone, you know, people come in here and use it and don't put it away like it's supposed to be. This is kind of Allen wrenches, punches. That's what that drawer is all about. Again, this is my father's, so I'm kind of keeping it the way it is because this is how he kept it. That was the difference between me and him, is I liked it all neat. He's just like, throw it in. But yeah, Montgomery Ward. How old is this, guys? The plier drawer, vice grip, another plier drawer, a lot of Husky and Craftsman in there. Wrench drawer. Oh look, one's mine. Oh look at that! I've been looking for that thing. Snap-on 9/16. This right here, guys, is a specialty tool. This was made specifically for when me and my father were working on the air compressor on his N14 Cummins, and we had to make this. I mean, it's a cheap Craftsman 9/16 wrench, but yeah, I made that specifically for that frickin' nut. So yeah, that thing will never disappear. Screwdriver drawer, all kinds of Craftsman. One Stanley, it looks like. Some sockets, cutters, more just wrenches. Miscellaneous sockets. We don't really know what sizes. This is my father, man. This is how he was. Drill bits, hangers, more screwdrivers, breaker bar. This comes in handy. If you guys don't know, that's for when you get your rattle can spray paint. This you will never fucking find again. I've tried, can't fucking find it. Tape measure, foldable. Just kind of precision stuff, multi-purpose wire, hose cutter, or pipe cutter. Saws, crimpers, cutters, speed ratchet. Most of this is actually used by me. My brother has no idea what it's freaking used for. Pipe wrench, hole saw, skill saw, stapler gun, another 1/4 inch ratchet. So yeah, that's what's up. That's for the house. And yeah, that's the my Husky toolbox for at the house. And then you've seen my dad's toolbox. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I guess give it a thumbs down. But if you are a subscriber, thank you. It helps me out a great bit. If you are not, please hit that subscribe button and then also hit that bell button, so that way you know when I come out with a new video. But again, like always, thank you for watching, guys, and hope you have a good day. Keep your shiny side up, greasy side down. We'll catch you on the flip.